YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing my DIY homemade disinfectant mixture that I have been using in my home and in my home-based daycare. I thought of making this video and sharing this mixture because I have been hearing a lot of news that people are already panic buying because of coronavirus, and we are lacking of disinfectants, paper towels, tissue papers, and some alcohols and aloe vera that you can use sanitizer. So I said I think this is the good opportunity to share this mixture as a alternative. So it's gonna be an alternative if you can't find a disinfectant anymore. So keep watching. These are the materials and ingredients that you will need. A water spray bottle, empty one. 2 cups of tap water will be okay. 2 cups of it. Half cup of vinegar, so you might need a measuring cup. Dishwasher soap, so you can choose any dishwasher soap. And these essential oils are optional, but I've been using peppermint for my disinfectant mix because it's antibacterial too. So it has some antibacterial process and the scent is the bomb. So if you're looking for essential oil, this is the great option for you. And another one would be the tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is antifungal, so you can use it for your mixture if you want to clean molds. This disinfectant for the kitchen, you can use it for your bathroom, for your tables, and for your doorknobs. Just an alternative to clean up these space and areas. So let's mix up. Would be the 2 cups of water, half cup of vinegar, go, 1 squeeze of dishwashing soap, squeeze, that's it, and lastly would be my peppermint, which is 5 to 6 drops, but it's optional. So it's up to you how many drops you would like to put. Disinfectant is ready to use. Comment down below if you tried making this mixture, and if you like it, I will be waiting for your feedback and suggestion. So anyways, check out my a partner's video, which is ways in fighting coronavirus and the proper method of sanitizing and cleaning your home and your home-based daycare, this video, and I'll put the link in the description below. So thank you guys, and I hope coronavirus will not run our life. We will run our own life. So let's fight together. Thank you guys. Hooray!